welcome back to my channel. I am back today with another video. Now before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already, and if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now this video is going to be brought to you by the company Arabella hair. This is their packaging. I'm going to make sure to leave some unboxing on the side. Today I'm going to be showcasing their pre-cut body wave wig, and this is what it looks like. I've already ran my fingers through this hair, but like I said, I'll leave the unboxing on the side so you can see what it looks like straight out of the package. I love that it has like this natural color to it. Like you can see the hints of brown in there. I like that it's not looking too dark. This is what the cap construction looks like. You don't get any combs, but you do get the area for the removable elastic band. And that is the lace area. Then you also get this dome-like cap. I know I told you guys that this doesn't come with any combs in the cap, but they did include some combs in the little bag. They also included some like super tape if you like to use tape to secure your wigs. And then this is the removable elastic band. And I am gonna add this on. I do have a small head, so sometimes with these pre-cut wigs, some of them fit me good and then some of them are entirely too big. I'm hoping that this one fits me good because I would really like a pre-cut body wave wig, especially for the fall and winter time, that I can just easily throw on. It does already come with a pre-plucked hairline, and the knots on this are really small, so I'm not going to worry about bleaching the knot. The beginning of the hairline looks a little bit light, so I might have to tint that area, but I'm gonna put this on just to kind of see, but you can see how small the knots are looking. The front of the hairline looks too transparent on me, so I am gonna have to go in and tint my lace. However, I love that they plucked out this hairline because I'm not gonna have to go in and do anything. And then I'm not sure if I'm gonna cut off any more lace. Maybe just a little bit on this side, but I think they did a really good job. Let's get into this parting space area. A 6x5 parting space. And I'll make sure to leave all the details down below. As you can see, I am using a few pumps at the very front of this lace, and I'm just guessing how much I need, and then I'm going to dry this down. It did take me a little while to dry it down, and I was only going to go in with one pump, but I just felt like it was a bit too light. But oh my gosh, once it dries down and I place this on, you're gonna see how well it blends into my skin. Like, look at that. That looks so much better than it did before. Now, this is HD lace. I'm just not sure why it's always so light in the very front. I'm gonna be using some bobby pins on the side of this unit just for some extra security. I don't feel like this is too big on my head. This is actually one of the nicer ones that fit me really good, but I don't want to worry about it slipping and sliding because I am doing a glueless install. I'm going to take some of my wax and I'm going to run that along the top of the unit and also in the very front of the hairline. Now, one thing I liked about this closure is that I don't feel like it's heavy as far as density goes. So if you wanted to move the parting space around, you should have no issues with that. A little bit of extra lace I wanted to cut off on the side right there, and it was just on that one side. And then I'm going to go in with my olive oil mousse, and I'm just going to place that in the very front of the hairline and use my rat tail comb just to kind of comb everything back. And I'm also going to make sure it is sitting on the lace really well. I'm going to kind of tap everything in because I still want to treat this like I'm using glue or adhesive. And then on the side, I'm just making sure those tracks are covered up. To make sure everything stays in place, I'm going to place my elastic band at the front of the hairline, and then I'm going to comb out this hair. Now, this is stated to be 180% in density. Like I told you guys, this is straight out the box. I have not washed anything, and I don't feel like it's that heavy. I want to say it's about 150, 160%. It's not too bad, but I just want to kind of comb through and make sure there's no tangling going on before I start styling. So I wanted to do a wavy look, and I brought out my wand curler, and I was going to bring out my flat iron to do some flat iron curls, but I said no, let's go for a more glam look. And this hair took really well to me waving it up. And I love to curl body wave hair just because I feel like it takes so well. So I did do a little bit of a smaller section in the very back area. And then as I move up to the front, it'll get a little bigger until I get right in the section by my face, where I'm going to go even smaller because I want the curls to last a long time. I always say curls, but y'all know what I mean. I mean waves. So I'm gonna do the other side off of camera, but look how pretty that looks. I'm gonna do my makeup and wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Your girl came back all nice and spiffy. So I'm gonna remove this elastic band because of course I want to see what this hairline is looking like. And y'all, look at that. You cannot tell me you are not impressed, because I'm impressed. Lace where? Where? So I'm going to place some powder into the parting space area just to kind of help open it up a little bit. But they already pre-bleached the knots, so me adding the powder just definitely helps to step it up. And then I'm going to use my Sleek and Shine serum, and I'm going to lightly fluff these waves out. I'm not gonna fluff it up too much because I like the definition on them, but this hair is a little bit frizzy, so this definitely is going to help tame it. Doing a few touch-ups in the front with the wax, but y'all, this is the final look. Like, I am so in love with the way that this came out. For me to have styled this straight out of the box without having to bleach it, without having to do any plucking, yeah, this is the one. Again, this is 26 inches in length. However, on the website, they do offer this starting at 16 inches, and the longest length you can get is 30 inches. And then the front of this lace, the front of this hairline, once I added my tint spray and got this to blend in, like, it's unstoppable because look how good that looks. I didn't do any baby hairs. This is just how it all melted down once I put that elastic band on. I also want to do another quick up style for you guys in case you want to get this hair out of the way. Now, as far as shedding and tangling goes with this unit, I did receive a little bit of shedding during the styling process and some snags in the nape area. I do wish that this was a little bit fuller because it is stated to be 180% density, and I feel like it is definitely a little bit lighter. However, I didn't have to worry about any tracks showing in the back at all. But I'm just putting my claw clip. You cannot go wrong with a claw clip at all. And then I'm going to use some bobby pins just to kind of pull the hair forward a little bit more. And of course, you can use a smaller claw clip if you choose to, but I feel like this needed the bigger one. And I'm not trying to mess up the waves, but you'll see me kind of push that hair up towards the front and then use some bobby pins. And then I'm also going to bobby pin down the nape area. Really hope you guys enjoyed this install. Let me know which look was your favorite, style 1 or style 2. If you are feeling this unit, I am going to make sure to leave all the links down below in the description area. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.